Did it. Did it. What is this?
Regret.
Jesus. So much.
Jesus.
And that's not everything on the floor. There's more shit in there.
I couldn't fit the clothes on the floor.
Look what she's drinking out of, though.
Jesus.
My boy.
Horrible.
Jesus lost faith in her.
I hate it.
And Satan doesn't want her either.
Nope. This is life right here.
This is I'm living the dream. I love it.
Horrible. I hate you. Da-da. Da-da, 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 da-da. Jesus. Stop it. It's too much.
It's not enough.
Okay, look, it's Kuma.
I separated it.
Kuma, hold on. Kuma, and that's mine. Perfect.
Yeah, I got Kuma towels.
Yeah.
Pasha's figure. I got a new Kuma handkerchief, sketchbook,
Train
Kuma
Kuma,
socks.
limited Train Kuma.
Limited edition Cho line Kuma.
Yeah,
I got a Kuma face mask because I will be Kuma one day.
one day.
One day.
Cool.
Kuma toilet.
Yeah.
Seat cover. And then a floor cover.
Sweet.
I got 3 t-shirts. I got some Kuma napkins. Baby Kuma. A new Kuma wallet. A Kuma umbrella. And then all this is Utapi.
Nice.
Because I needed Utapi because Utapi is expensive.
Cool. So much.
Yeah.
And clothes that you don't see.
Oh yeah.
They're hanging up over
I forgot. And then that cosplay. And
there. And shoes.
and shoes.
And some clothes.
I think I need more Kuma.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. See this building? Here it is. Vending machine hell. Weird. Come look. Just start over here. Fine. Let's look at them.
Normal stuff.
Normal stuff.
Canned. I'm not sure what that is. But okay.
Canned takoyaki. Canned.
Canned peaches. Okay. Don't know what that is.
No.
Sure. That's weird and not
That's kind of creepy.
kind of creepy. There's a bug. There's some bells. Okay.
There's some bell.
There's some. Yep. And yep, more canned food.
What's that bear thing?
I think it's like curry paste.
Isn't this creepy? A little vending machine area?
So dirty.
Kind of creepy.
Wow.
What's that?
Canned fish. And other stuff. You can get popcorn. I don't trust that popcorn.
Why?
But you can get popcorn if you feel like eating popcorn out of a vending machine.
Oh my god. I dare you to buy one of the bugs, Mom.
Ew, they're like $5. You get potato chips? Get some more bells?
These
Get some bouncy balls?
These are like fake bugs. Not
Yeah, they're
real.
fake bugs.
If they were real, that'd be weird.
Well.
Well, yeah, they might be real bugs.
This is
It'd be
bizarre.
funny.
Some trains. You want some trains and some octopus?
I don't know what
I
that
don't
is.
know what that is. Some more potato chips and you're set to go.
And a photo booth.
Passport, like that's
Barry, do you want anything from here? You want to try some food?
no. No.
No?
I'm Gucci.
You're
I love
Gucci?
I'm Gucci because I feel like these would be like stale.
Isn't this
something.
like the creepiest?
It's kind of weird.
Calpus is only 100.
Yeah, you don't want to drink Kelpis if it's 100 yen. It's probably not.
Why? Most of this is cheap. I think I'm gonna get one.
Gosh, don't do it. Read what?
Like, read this over here.
Oh yeah, that's all kanji. I can't read shit. I could read that.
Well, because
It says key.
I read that they have very threatening things about if you put stickers on here or something, they're like gonna cut off your fingers or whatever.
Oh, that's good.
I want to know what it says. So,
Oh, wrong way. Also in the building, salt, caramel, machinery of caramel taste.
never mind.
Oh, this is caramel popcorn. That's what they're saying.
What is?
Security camera monitor. There's a security camera somewhere. Vibration sensor and operation security camera. So the security camera is motion centered. Saving sales in crime bell installed. Room temperature. Power saving vending machine.
Oh, it's room temperature.
Ooh, yay. Something is prohibited in this building. You could suck hell? What? The violators? Pay 5,250 yen. Next door in residential condominium. Fire. We will set fire. Of course, the police circumstances. Please understand. Okay. Sounds they're gonna burn you alive. Sounds good.
Open fire on you.
Also, this machine has popcorn.
Popcorn.
Okay.
Good job.
That's good.
Holy noodles. 190 in Akiba. Of course you don't. It's very cool. Hi, what is that?
Mm.
Maybe it's a host club.
Oh, that's a big vending machine.
Oh, these are huge. Oh, yeah. She didn't know what to do.
I was confused.
No BGM? No BGM?
When I turned around, he was down and I thought he fell and I was like, and then I was like, oh my god. This isn't even my hair. My hair is like.
What? I am you guys.
Sorry.
My hair is
Store-
straight and
it-
No!
Tommy Road. It's
really boring.
It's all Joe Pesci. The guy who all the entire 9
Oh no!
Maybe whisper.
You guys didn't go there yet?
Kawaii and sexy.
That's the corner of Tommy Road.
Oh! Okay, so, yes.
They're trading buttons on a Tomei Road.
We went, yeah, we went to Tommy Road. They all deal in different dojinshi.
That's so cool.
They like that.
They like it. She likes it the most.
So they have an anime store there that's like mostly just
Yaoi. Yaoi.
No, not yaoi. It's,
けどあるんよあるんよ同人誌
dojinshi. Anime dojinshi is Otome
子
Road.
同士がちょっとやおいちょっ
It's
と BL ちょっと BL ちょっと BL ちょっとボーイズラブちょっとユーリオンアイスの 美しい男性同士がね、なんかやってる系の
So we can go back.
そういう世界があって
But I like otome games, like
There's a whole
Utapri.
section for
Yeah,
that.
or like Ambunacia.
Healthier than
Oh! Watch out. Totomate. Very good. Can't wait.
じゃあのさイベントじゃないしさ
Bye. You haven't even seen them yet.
No, she will. I will.
There they are, right behind you.
No. No, but she will, and when she does, you'll hear that, and
Yeah.
it'll be great.
Oh!
イエローの一番これ
崩してもらってもいいですか？すいません。 Can you take a picture of me and me?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna put it here now.
What's for?
Shoot a second. Right now. Yeah, Steven. Oh, Steven's
Nice to meet you. I'm Keiko.
Sit
Hi,
here.
it's nice to meet you. Rachel.
I like your hair.
Sunday and Monday night he's working.
Oh, okay.
Sunday
Oh.
will come back.
Yeah, but after midnight, so like
Yeah, real late.
Wow.
Richard saw him.
Okay.
yeah, one.
I'll have to find out one part. Maybe he'll go to big time.
Cool.
こんばんは。
I'm Milka. こんばんは。
乾杯。
乾杯ありがとう。
And for insurance, oh, I Hey! How do I say it? Look at it's completely free. Sorry. Look at this photo. Look at this case.
God, I hate it.
You love it.
No! Oh my god. No, I still have a chance.
What was that even?
No, I still no.
Pushing it into it. Alec. I... Just try to lift. Just try to lift. Oh my god, what did you do? Yeah. You did it. Took you only like $10 worth.
Oh, it's moving. No. Oh, wait.
Oh boy.